How to draw a cartoon lion. Start with sketching a small heart-shaped nose. From the base of the nose, draw two opposing curved lines for the upper mouth, and another U-shaped line to make the bottom mouth. Next, draw a semicircle around the mouth starting from the right to the left side of the nose. Draw an arc above the nose to make a nose bridge. Sketch banana-shaped lines to make the eyes. Start from under the mouth and sketch curvy lines around the face to shape the head. Create some jagged lines to give the impression of fur. Draw large circular lines connecting the head to create the ears. Sketch rough, jagged lines around the head to create the mane. Draw small rectangular curved lines to shape the eyebrows, and small circles to create a blush effect. Draw two V-shaped lines under the mane to create a scarf. Next, draw the body using a series of nice and smooth curved lines. Sketch out the shape of the legs and the feet with vertical and horizontal curved lines. Add small lines for the paws. Draw a smooth curved line along the body to create the underbelly. Now create the arms. Left arm resting at the hips and the right arm pointing out with the paws exposed. Draw long curved lines from behind the hips to create the tail. Add a fluffy tail end. It's time to start inking your sketch. Use a dark pen or marker of your choice to ink your sketch. Shade the eyes black to give it an impression of being closed. Shade the inner ears dark. Now we're going to highlight the mane by making it dark with jagged lines. We're also going to make the scarf dark color. Highlight the tail end by shading part of it dark color. Use a thick marker to highlight the outer body in thick lines. Congratulations! You've drawn a complete cartoon lion. Do not forget to like and subscribe.